give you 3 reasons for why this is currently the best Porsche Cayman 987S in the UK. Number 1, it's got the PCCB, the Porsche ceramic brakes and discs. Number 2, the irresistible blue colour. And 3 is the fact it has sports Chrono pack and PASM. Caymans were first introduced in 2005 as a budget Porsche, and up until now there's 3 models of these Caymans. The first model is, in my opinion, the best. It's the driver focused 987, then it's the Grand Touring 981, and then it's the everyday daily Cayman, which is the 718. Everyone loves a bit of maths. In terms of performance figures, this car does 0 to 60 miles an hour in 5.4 seconds. The top speed is 171 miles per hour and it offers 295 bhp. The PCCB, proven in motorsport, enables shorter braking distance in even the toughest road and race conditions. Safety under high-speed braking is also improved thanks to its excellent fade resistant. Another advantage of PCCB is the extremely low weight of the ceramic brake discs, which are approximately 50% lighter than the standard discs of a similar design and size. This results in better road holding and increased comfort, particularly on uneven roads, as well as greater agility and a further improvement in handling. The silhouette of this Porsche Cayman is absolutely timeless. The only thing that gives it away is a number plate that says it's from the year 2008. To the normal eye, if this had a private plate, no one would think that this Porsche is 12 years old. This Cayman S has the 19-inch Lobster claw alloys, and they are currently sitting on the Bridgestone Potenza tyres, which all have plenty of tread. On the interior of this Porsche, like new, it feels as if it's just been driven out of the factory. It's got the sports steering wheel, again PASM, the sports Chrono watch, which adds a couple of extra bhp, the Porsche Crest on the headrests. It's got the beautiful grey interior, which in my opinion makes the car look lively, and the back of the seats are all in leather and partly plastic in the middle. All the carpeting is unmarked, and from the looks of it, you know, the car is in absolutely stunning condition. 2 things that I really like about this Cayman S. Number 1 is PASM. Pressing that button drops the car a couple of millimeters and gives it a more aggressive and a sportier ride. And number 2 is cruise control. Cruise control speaks for itself. I think it is a must on any Porsche. To some people it might not matter, but for someone like me that on average probably does 2 to 3 hours of driving per day, I do rely heavily on cruise control. The Cayman has a retractable spoiler, but I prefer it with a spoiler down. It almost looks like a ducktail spoiler, the way it sits in, curved out slightly. And I think my rear of this Cayman, or any 987 Cayman, it looks absolutely stunning.